Hey guys, RTT back here for the video. Guys, today we have an unboxing and a first impressions of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. So I got the 1 TB edition of the Z Fold 6, and listen, I always say, I'm gonna give my thoughts and opinions of this device and how low this device actually is, even though it's not crazy upgrade from the Z Fold 5, as you guys know. But here is the first look. Holy crap. Okay. It looks good. I will give Samsung credit. It definitely looks good. And as always, that's all you get in the box. You do actually receive like a charging cable, but that's actually it. All right, so first peel off. Ooh, okay. First closing of the actual screen. And let's peel this off. And there it is. Oh my lordy. I got the white, by the way, because first off, they never offered white before. And this looks so clean in the white edition. Like, this actually looks so beautiful white. So I had to pick it up white. I mean, that was a no-brainer. Already fingerprints, yeah. Pretty much what you expect. That hinge, it's the first time using this, so that's why the hinge is going to be a little bit more janky. But, and over time, you kind of break the hinge in. But that hinge, yeah, it looks like a Z Fold 5. The inside display is very reminiscent of a Z Fold 5. Alright, let's turn it on. And this was actually supposed to get here on the 24th, but got it early, thanks to Samsung here. They didn't sponsor this video, obviously, but they sent it early. Is this okay, it's not completely dead. Alright. I mean, again, like I said, I know I'm going to give my thoughts and opinions after a little while using it in the near future, but it is a beautiful device. It really is. I love every single Z Fold that comes out, even if it's not that much of an upgrade. So remember, this is dust resistance. I think it's IP48, which is dust resistance of 4, obviously 8 being water resistance. So it should be less of a gap. And it looks like the gap is a lot better. Yeah, the gap's definitely a lot better than normal. I mean, overall wise, it is beautiful. I do like the I like the more boxy look on the edges. Like, for example, when I turn it on here, you can see the more boxy looks, kind of like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I really like that design. So I'll give my thoughts and opinions after using this for a couple of days and a week, and how I do on this channel. But I can't say I recommend picking it up, just because the fact that it's very similar to Z Fold 5. If you don't have a Z Fold device, yeah, it could be a great device to pick up. But then you could also get a cheaper variant of a Z Fold 4 or a Z Fold 5 itself on eBay or secondhand websites. Like, there's always ways to, get into the Z Fold game that might not be going with this variant right here. This is, again, the 1 TB variant, so this is the most expensive variant they offer. But just kind of wanted to see, give my thoughts and opinions. So tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, guys. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.